Okay, so master life coach. You know what? Just few days ago, I had this experience कि मैं कहीं जा रहा था और it's like मैं हाईवे पे था यहाँ पे. It's like most of the time you're driving on the highway और हाईवे पे जाते हुए मैंने जहाँ का वो उस पे जीपीएस सेट किया हुआ था because यहाँ पे जीपीएस बहुत यूज करना पड़ता है. तो मैं जीपीएस जो सेट किया हुआ था, आई मिस्ड एन एग्जिट. जब मैंने एग्जिट मिस कर दी तो जो जीपीएस था उसने फौरन उसको एडजस्ट किया एंड मुझे उसने रास्ता जो है दूसरा बताना शुरू कर दिया. And I realized something very interesting at that moment. I had this intuitive idea. I said, this is how coaching is supposed to be. This is how you do coaching. When you work with people, it's like you tell people to do something, they may or may not. You don't take it personally. Just imagine अगर Google जो है it's like start saying personally, अजीब है आप, मैं आपको कह रही हूँ लेफ्ट पे टर्न करें, आप सीधे जाए जा रहे हैं. इतनी देर से मैं आपको कह रही हूँ, आपको 100 फीट पीछ पहले से कहना शुरू कर दिया था आपने राइट टर्न करना है, राइट टर्न करना है. अजीब आप सीधे चले जा रहे हैं. आपने करना है तो करें, मेरा क्यों आपने खामा-खाई में वक्त ज़ाया किया हुआ है, इतनी देर से आपको लगाया है. जस्ट इमेजिन इफ गूगल स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट और जीपीएस स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट. Okay, when you're working with people, okay, you act like that GPS. They come, they tell you, okay, this is the definite destination I want to get, and you help them chalk out the best route to get there, and they start getting in that, and they may skip this or that, they may do certain things, may not do certain things, and everything is perfectly okay. You don't take it personally. Okay, you let them move on. So जब हम बात करते हैं master life coach की, what does it entail? What are we going to go through here? और last week जो orientation session था उसमें मैंने ये मॉडल आपके साथ शेयर किया था. हम लोग इसको throughout this program explore करेंगे. This is what this program will be about, and let's look at this briefly here. So हमने इसमें 3 चीजें हैं. First is your mindset. The second is the skill set. The third is your business strategy. Okay, the system that you will be following to establish yourself as a master life coach. Okay, so mindset में जो चीजें हैं, briefly अगर हम इसको देखें, इसमें सबसे first thing is your attitude. So this is an attitude thing जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कि as you're working as a GPS. You keep that attitude. You tell people to do something. They may do it, they may not do it. You don't take it personally. You talk to people, you gather information. It's like you work as an information collector, a data collector. You keep yourself detached from other people's experiences. You don't get emotionally involved in other people's experiences. You don't take things personally. Okay, and you keep that attitude of curiosity. NLP के बारे में, NLP की जो definition है, NLP की जो founders हैं, उनमें से Dr. Richard Bandler, he describes NLP, says NLP is an attitude. What attitude? It's the attitude of curiosity to find how things work, how people work. Okay, so you remain with that attitude. Okay, you work on with people. When you're working with people, you keep that attitude of curiosity. Okay, so the attitude is the first thing. Your beliefs. Okay, your beliefs about yourself, your beliefs about, इसको भी हम देखते हैं mindset के ऊपर आज, क्योंकि हमारा session is mainly about on mindset. Then your clarity in values, your mission, your vision, we'll look into this shortly. Then skill set. Your deep understanding of people, deep understanding of human psyche, deep understanding of how the brain works, how life works. We'll be looking into all of these things. Your life experiences, your personal experiences, your professional experiences, experiences of other people, jinse you have learned something. And the coaching strategies that you will be learning. Hamara jo second module here, that is all about different strategies that you will be learning. And that's about, honing your skill set. So all of those skills, that strategies that you will be learning, different tools that you will be getting to work as a life coach. Then the business strategies, the business plan. What is your plan of action? आपका start करने का क्या plan है? If you've already started, what's your growth plan? If you're growing, what's your sustaining plan? How will you sustain, when things happen? Then business strategies may your sales strategies and marketing strategies, your service strategies, the kind of services you will be providing, your individual coaching sessions that you may be doing, group coaching sessions that you may be doing, products that you may be offering to people, all of these things. Okay, so when you have the right mindset and right skill set, you find that you become confident, you experience confidence in yourself. When you have the right mindset and you have the right business strategy, you find that things become easier for you. And when you have the right business strategy and right skill set and you use them, you find that your income increases, you make more money. And so this, Master Life Coach certification training, this is about this. And we will be learning, we will be going through these, हम इन चीजों को explore करते जाएंगे और इस मॉडल को हम लोग आगे इंशाल्लाह मजीद expand करते जाएंगे. So जब हम बात करते हैं mindset की आज, so mindset में क्या क्या चीजें आती हैं? इसमें का your attitude, your beliefs and the clarity. Attitude में assertiveness, okay, the positive attitude. किसी को हमने कोई कोचिंग करा रहे हैं and if we have this attitude of being doubtful, पता नहीं ये काम करेगा नहीं करेगा, पता नहीं इसको समझ में आएगा नहीं आएगा, मैं किसी के साथ enrollment conversation में हूँ, अगर इसने sign up नहीं किया, अभी मुझे पैसों की वैसे बड़ी ज़रूरत है और मेरे साथ हालात सही नहीं है, अगर मेरे इसको मेरी कोचिंग पसंद नहीं आई, and we are in that kind of mode. That attitude that doesn't give us results. So we need the attitude of assertiveness. Okay, we will be working on all of this. Then the attitude of being brutally honest. Okay, brutally honest. I like to use the word brutally honest. Because your job when you're working with people as a coach, your job is not to make them like you. Your job is not to impress people. And very honestly speaking, I know there are times when I'm treating people that they may think is rude. I'm talking to them, I'm expressing myself in ways that they may feel is rude. But if I know this is the only thing that will work with them, I will get rude. Because it's not about me, it's about them. Okay, so it's अगर मैंने इस वक्त इससे रूडली बात करी तो फिर सही नहीं लगेगा. Just imagine कि एक बच्चा है, वो बिजली के तार में हाथ डाल रहा है और आप उसको कह रहे हैं बेटा नहीं करो बुरी बात, वो नहीं मानता, वो फिर भी उसमें उंगली अपनी घुसाने में लगा हुआ है, आप उसको चीख कर बोलते हैं, वो फिर भी नहीं मानता. तो एक वक्त आता है आप उसको थप्पड़ मार कर रोकते हैं, फिर जाकर वो रुकता है. तो बज़ाहिर कोई देखेगा, देखो यार कैसे जालिम आदमी है, कैसी जालिम औरत है, छोटे बच्चे को थप्पड़ मार दिया. बट उस वक्त उस बच्चे के लिए थप्पड़ खाकर रुकना ही जरूरी था. Okay, so when you're working with people as a coach, your job is not to look nice and kind. Okay, your job is to to serve them, to help them to the best of your abilities. Okay, so understand this. This is what I mean by being brutally honest. So you tell people what they need to listen, not what they want to listen. Because, and this is the difference, by the way, between a friend and a coach. A friend will tell you what you want to listen because they want to maintain that relationship with you. They don't want to hurt you. They will tell you, नहीं नहीं देखो तुम जो हो ना बहुत यूं है, तुम्हारे साथ तो ऐसा है, तुम कर तो सकती हो लेकिन आजकल फिलहाल हालात यूं नहीं है तो ऐसे. They'll talk to you like that. They're just being nice because they don't want to hurt you. They think that if they tell you the truth, then that will hurt you. but that doesn't help. Okay, as a coach, your job is not to look nice. Your job is not to be, to be nice, but to help people, to serve people. And for that, you need to be brutally honest. You let people know exactly what they need to hear. Okay. Then the constant and never-ending improvement, the attitude of consistently learning. Hum as coaches, we spend our time, we spend our energies, we spend our money, so we learn. We learn because वो चीजें जो हमें पता है, हमारे पास आने वाले जो clients हैं, they don't have time, they are not investing their money in that, they are not investing their energies in that, they don't have that information. तो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन हम अपना वक्त लगा के, हम अपनी मेहनत करके हम हासिल करते हैं, हम अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करते हैं, ताकि हम उस चीज को उनको आगे ट्रांसफर कर सकें. थिंक अबाउट दिस. इफ यू गो टू अ रेस्टोरेंट वाले जो हैं, वो आपको जो खाना देते हैं, वो सारे खाने आप अपने घर में भी बना सकते हैं. अगर आप जब रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं, तो वो रेस्टोरेंट वाले जो है, उन्होंने वही तमाम चीजें, वही सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो आप भी खरीद कर अपने घर में बना सकते थे. ओके. So for example, अगर फर्स्ट करो, if you like pizza and आपको पिज़्ज़ा हट का पिज़्ज़ा अच्छा लगता है, तो पिज़्ज़ा हट के पिज़्ज़ा में जितने इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं, वो सारे के सारे आपको बाजार से आप भी खरीद के आप बना सकते हैं. लेकिन पिज़्ज़ा हट वालों ने उसको बनाने के लिए उन्होंने एक साथ अपना वक्त लगाया है, उसके लिए उन्होंने किचन बनाया है, उसके लिए उन्होंने खास रेसिपी को फॉलो करते हैं, उन्होंने अपने जो ovens लगाए हैं, they've invested that money so that they can serve you a pizza that you may not be able to make on your own. So as a coach, you invest your time, you invest your energy, you invest your money to acquire skills that can serve those people who want them, and they are not willing to invest all of that time and money in that. Okay. So, and that requires the attitude of constant and never ending improvement. Keep learning. Okay. Never ending learning. There is no end to learn. Right now, as I'm speaking to you, I'm enrolled in a training program where I am, learning some of the more, just like more advanced marketing skills जो इस वक्त दुनिया में चल रही हैं इन चीजों के हवाले से, all of those things. Okay, just to keep updating myself. मैंने पिछले हर महीने में कम से कम 2-3 different ऐसे webinars होते हैं, paid programs होते हैं जो मैं attend करता हूँ. Some of those, there are expensive programs, very expensive programs at times, but I do invest on myself. So कभी कभी लोग कहते हैं जी हाँ आपके पास है इसलिए आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया था इसलिए अल्लाह ने आज मुझे दिया. ओके. आप कोई ये कहे कि जी हाँ आपके पास दरख्त है इसलिए आप फल खाते हैं, इसलिए आप दरख्त है इसलिए आप नए बीज लगाते हैं. मैंने पहले बीज लगाए थे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, तो अल्लाह ताला ने मुझे दरख्त दिया था. अल्लाह ताला का सिस्टम जो है बनाया हुआ कुछ ऐसे काम करता है. यू हैव टू डू फर्स्ट, यू हैव टू डू समथिंग. So that constant and never ending improvement is the attitude part. Okay. So, and this is why you don't stop yourself. Oh, bas ab maine ye course kar liya to bas khatam. Okay. You just keep on learning. There is no end to learning. Then beliefs. Belief on yourself. We'll talk about these in more detail later. Your belief on yourself, your belief on the services you offer. So as a coach, you're offering coaching. Okay. You get coaching yourself. It's like if you're offering something to people and you're asking them and you're telling them, oh, coaching is really good for you. Coaching will be really useful for you. Okay. It's good for you, but not good for me. So you get coaching. I don't get coaching. But I will coach you even though I don't get coaching myself. What is that? Okay, so it's good for you, not good for me. आप नमाज पढ़े, बड़ी अच्छी चीजें मेरे लिए नहीं है. मैं अर्थरल देखूंगा. आप नमाज पढ़ के जन्नत कमाएं, मैं अर्थरल देख के जन्नत कमाता हूँ. How is that? इसीलिए every one of you who are enrolled in this program, you will get 6 individual coaching sessions with me. Okay, and we can do those sessions during weekends. मेरे Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday को available नहीं है, but I'm available inshallah on Thursdays and maybe on Fridays, depending अगर हमारा time match करता है. But I can give you those sessions. I strongly recommend do those sessions during these next 6 months. Do this like maybe every 10 days. We can have your session, or maybe every 2 weeks we can have your session, or even every week. That depends on what you want. And ये 2 घंटे वाले sessions होंगे. इसके लिए मेरी website से आप appointment ले सकते हैं, and then we can have those sessions for you. Okay, those are 2-hour sessions. जब आप book कराएं मेरी website से book 2-hour sessions. Okay, the deep inner coaching session, not the laser coaching sessions जो 1 hour वाले sessions है, but get those sessions yourself. ताकि जब आप किसी के सामने coaching की बात करें, you have experience of what it is like to be coached. You know deep inside what it is like to be coached. Because फिर क्या होता है कि हमने खुद coaching नहीं लिया, and I have no idea कि coaching में क्या होता है. I have no experience of what coaching is like. और मैं दूसरों को कह रहा हूँ, देखिए जी आप coaching लीजिए. वही जी coaching क्या होती है? Coaching जो होती है यानी okay, I don't know. मेरे पास experience तो कोई नहीं, वो theory मैंने पढ़ी थी भूल गया. एक मिनट में अपने नोट्स निकाल. Coaching is the process of coaching is the process. क्या लिखा था ये? Okay, unfortunately it doesn't work. But if you have an experience and you talk, it's like coaching is the process when you work with someone. So you have this goal, you have these ideas, and you're unable to move. Like I had this experience. I was thinking मैंने जब start किया था, मेरे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. I got stuck, and then I talked to my coach, and my coach actually helped me find out my resources and the limitations that I had put on myself, and then helped me realize the mistakes I was making and helped me understand my potential, and I was able to make this breakthrough. Okay, that's what coaching does. So when you speak with power, speak with conviction, you will be convinced. Okay, so and that shows that you believe on coaching. You believe it enough that you take it yourself. If you don't believe it enough and you're not taking it yourself, then that shows that you don't believe it. Okay, so I did a Facebook live कुछ दिन पहले. मैंने अपने Facebook पे मेरा जो live coaching with Kamran Sultan जो group है, and हम लोग जो business में आएंगे, I'll talk about that as well. If you believe something, then you will not say I believe it. You will actually act. Your actions will be aligned with your beliefs. So for example, first करो, if I believe कि इसमें जो पानी है इसको अगर मैं पीऊंगा तो मैं मर जाऊंगा, और मेरा भी फिलहाल अगर मरने का कोई इरादा नहीं है और मैं मरना नहीं चाह रहा हूं अगर, and I believe कि इसमें जो पानी है इसको पीने से मैं मर जाऊंगा, then no matter what, कितनी भी प्यास लगी हो, मैं ये पानी नहीं पीऊंगा. Because of my belief, my behavior will be aligned with that. Okay, it will not be I believe कि इसमें जो पानी है मैं पीऊंगा तो मैं मर जाऊंगा, अभी मेरा फिलहाल मैं नहीं मरना चाहता जी, मैं अभी जिंदा रहना चाहता हूँ, मैं बीमार भी नहीं होना चाहता है. I strongly believe इसमें जहर है, लेकिन मुझे बड़ा पक्का बिलीव है कि इसके अंदर जहर है. My words are saying something else, my action is something else. Okay, so if you truly believe on something, you will act according to your beliefs. So this is what we say when you as a coach, when you really truly believe on coaching, okay, get some coaching, good deep inner coaching. If you believe on deep inner coaching, get deep inner coaching. Then system, is the process. One of the things that you will hear from me, and you may have already heard from me many times, is trust the process. Trust the process. The process that you're learning. Understand the process. Trust it. The system that you're using, that you're learning, trust it. Okay. Then clarity in your vision. Why are you becoming a coach? Why are you investing your time? What's your vision for becoming a coach? What's your real reason? What's the hidden agenda for spending your time here? Be clear about that vision. Your mission for becoming a coach. Your values. Okay, and we'll work on all of these. Okay, so जब हमारा attitude और हमारे belief ये दोनों aligned होते हैं, we are able to do powerful coaching. You become powerful coach when your attitude and is aligned with your vision, mission, your values. That, in other words, you have clarity. You find that you will act easily. When your beliefs are aligned with your vision, mission, and values, you will find you have an ongoing motivation. Challenges आते हैं, challenges आएंगे. Life is not always a smooth journey. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. But जब हमारा ये vision clear हो, जब mission हमारे ज़हन में वाज़े हो, जब हमारे beliefs उनके साथ aligned हो, we find, think about this. Okay, if you take examples from religion, I'm a Muslim. Okay, that's one of the things I believe. That's what I follow, and I follow Quran as much as I can. I make mistakes. I like to follow Sunnah as best as I can. I do make mistakes. I have many flaws. लेकिन अगर आप गौर करें, it's like हमें कितनी ऐसी अहादीस मिलती हैं जहां पे हमें पता चलता है कि सहाबा ने, सहाबियात ने अपनी जिंदगी में कोई ऐसे अमेजिंग काम किए कि जिंदगी में बड़े बड़े चैलेंजेस, तकलीफें आई, किसी जिहाद के दौरान, किसी पर्सनल लाइफ में उनके कोई चैलेंजेस आए, बड़ी बड़ी मुश्किलें आई, लेकिन वो उसको फेस करते रहे. क्यों? बिकॉज उनका जो विजन था वो बड़ा वाज़ेह था उनके ज़हन में, अल्लाह की रजा. उनका जो मिशन था वो बड़ा क्लियर था. उनकी जो वैल्यूज थी बिल्कुल अलाइन थी. उनका बिलीफ जो था वो बिल्कुल पुख्ता था. तो इवन दो देयर वर टाइम्स के पेट पे पत्थर बांधने पड़े, इवन दो देयर वर टाइम्स के जी ये वाला हाथ कट गया तो अब इस हाथ से अपने तलवार पकड़ के लड़ेंगे, ओके, और ये भी कट गया तो हाथ यूं करके झंडा नहीं छोड़ना, ओके, बिकॉज विजन, मिशन, इट वाज ऑल क्लियर फॉर देम. द बिलीव्स वर ऑल अलाइंड. सो हमारे साथ इस किस्म के चैलेंजेस तो नहीं आएंगे. हमारा वो लेवल ही नहीं है, हमारे ऊपर वो आजमाइश आ ही नहीं सकती. okay? So, यानी कि मैं अक्सर सोचता हूँ, देखो हम, अल्लाह ताला भी हर एक को लेवल के हिसाब से होता है ना. क्लास 1 के बच्चे के ऊपर मैट्रिक का पेपर तो नहीं लगाया जाता ना, और मैट्रिक के बच्चे को पीएचडी का तो एग्जाम नहीं होता ना उसका. सो हम जिस लेवल के हैं हमारे साथ उसी लेवल के चैलेंजेस आएंगे. हमारे साथ ये नहीं होगा कि हसन और हुसैन जो हैं वो भी रोजे से हैं और घर में एक खजूर है और अफ्तार के टाइम पे दरवाजे पे खटखटा कोई मांगता है अल्लाह के नाम पे और वो हम दे दें. हम उसमें कभी नहीं आ सकते, हम तस्वुर भी नहीं कर सकते उसमें आने का. okay? हम बहुत लो लेवल के, हमारी जिंदगी के जो चैलेंजेस होंगे वो बड़े छोटे होंगे, जो चैलेंजेस वो ऑलरेडी फेस कर चुके हैं. बट जो अगर आप और करो, they were able to face all of that because they were very clear about these things. They had a very clear vision. अल्लाह की रजा हासिल करनी है, अल्लाह के रसूल की अताअत करनी है. That's the mission. Values are very clear. Okay? सबसे पहले जो है अल्लाह, हमें सबसे पहले पाकिस्तान नहीं है, सबसे पहले इंसानियत नहीं है, इंसानियत खुद ब खुद आ जाती है उसमें. Okay? Then बिलीफ, स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ, ईमान पुख्ता, कोई डाउट नहीं, कोई मसला नहीं, ongoing motivation, no problem, सुबह दोपहर शाम रात, any time they had no issues of motivation. ये हमारे यहाँ होता है, ठीक है, तो यार मोटिवेशन नहीं है मेरा काम करने की, मेरे पास क्यों नहीं है? Because we lose this vision, we lose this mission, we don't have clarity. We'll work on all of these inshallah. Okay, so what does mastery require? Okay, let me just